ram guys. In low my tail too much. Look at dry coconut guys. Bought some porridge in the morning. Here. Bought some porridge in the morning guys. Under dry coconut. Your man's on the two now. Alright guys, I'm gonna boil some oats porridge today. And I put some coconut milk in it. This is barely a shake, so hopefully it's good. You see me? Because the first thing I put coconut milk in the oats porridge. You don't need nice half the flavor I put nice, huh? Yeah man, you don't know put a vanilla and them thing in nice, cinnamon leaf and them thing in okay, nice. Yeah man. So do remember guys, give video a like. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about oats porridge if you don't love it. Me don't love it again. I'm drinking too much. But I'm smaller. Yeah man, so share the video guys. Subscribe if you're new and put the bell button on all. When we time with the drop. Sunday I go Anotto again, right? I'm doing that fishing video, but I end up never catching a fish, so it's alright. I'm not post the video because enough make a vlog to me. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run back to some of the clipping them I'm gonna get and show you, and then when I swim back, I'm in the kitchen I prepare the porridge. You see me? So soon come back. That look fresh. Catch you. Alright guys, I'm gonna throw up my line, you know. So now see what's going on here. So see, nice river. Nice river. Deep. So now see what's going on today. Guys, we have two line out, right? We have this one, and we have one close to the banking, right? So I go on and find two ripe jump plum, you know? Yeah man. See jump plum tree here. So I go on guys. I guess a different location now. So I'm traveling in here so. And see I have enough crab bowl. See? Enough crab bowl here. Yeah man. Guys, one minute. See him? Focus camera, focus. One small one that. So our next one guys here right there, so you see there is a fresh. So somebody living in it. Yeah man, and it's crab all that. Yeah man guys, you see the man leave my pot. And see pot I boil up now. Yeah man, dive to the oats night. Yeah man guys, we're watching the butter now. And the coconut milk. Yeah man guys, so I don't expect that this cook already, you know. So Oats porridge a simple thing to cook. Right, but because I'm too the coconut milk tonight, I forgot to cook a little longer. Okay, I don't know coconut milk. We mash it up if you don't know how to do, so you have to cook properly. Yeah man, coconut milk I have to cook properly. So I give it about a 15 minutes cook. Yeah, about, and then I'm showing me thing them at night. Yeah man guys, you see, if I let you know, this is the best brand though. This is the best brand. I like Benjamin. See the guys, see Benjamin mixed spice. Yeah man. Don't know, I forgot to make a night porridge as well. Yeah man guys, so you see, the vanilla mixed spice, the cinnamon leaf, and put nutmeg night. Yeah man. Start tying off with milk. The thick and nice. Yeah man guys. I'm say I really like oats porridge like that again, like one time. I drink it same way now, but you know, to like it like one time. I'm drinking too much. And try milk time and all guys. See milk is nice guys. Yeah man, but you know, sweet enough. So I'll look at sugar night. Come on guys, so this is the porridge, right? Oats porridge. Thick and nice, man, tell you, it smells so good. I swear. So guys, what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna do some other things. In the meantime, the porridge are going cool because I don't know why I just don't like the name porridge well hot. Guys, guess what? I actually figured for showing time I drink the porridge. But they said I'm gonna do it, but I thought I figured everything guys. I get so busy. I got everything. But thanks for watching this guys. Give it a like. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the video. Mountain, share the video. Tell somebody about me man. Help me grow up. Please me have to take it and stress it. Share the video and leave a like, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and touch the bell, put it on all, and follow the IG Jeff876 and your style ventures. The link to the page them down below in the description. You can just scroll down, click it and give me a follow. Yeah man, so I'm catching you in the next video guys, so look more.